Hello friend, how are you today? I have a new toys for you. This is airplane, this is car, and this is car police, and this one is tank and Humphrey. Okay, I will explain to you one by one, friend. This is a Mustang. Yeah, you can hear not P51 Mustang. This is from Thailand, and airplane is made in USA. Yes, P5T1. 501. Sorry. P510 Mustang. This is from Mustang. Ooh. Oh. And this Mustang using by U.S. Air Force in the World War II. You can hear this the rotor. Okay, and this one you can see here. This is Mustang. Oh. Okay, and the next is this one. You can see here. What is the name? P-plane. This airplane is P-plane. This is the all airplane. Wow. This one, you can see the details. And this one is seat for pilot. And this one is wing and tire under the body. This is the all airplane. Okay, and the next is this one, police car. Wow, police car bringing the Harley Davidson motorcycle. This one, wow, very cute. Call 911. Call 911. This one is Ford Interceptor utility. Ford Interceptor police. You can see my other video. We have also review police Interceptor. Yes. We have another version. This one. Wait. Yeah, this one. I also have this one. Is the same? Yes, same. This is also Ford. This one. Wow. If you want to see, I will show you MBX cycle trailer. This name is MBX cycle trailer. Made in Thailand. Yes, this one. Serif impound. MBX count impound. This one. This is connect with the tail. Okay. Yeah. Okay, friend. This one also the police series. Okay. And the next is this one. Wow. This is Humphrey for Army. For Air Force, Navy, or Army. This one. Wow. Very cute. So handsome. This one. Wow. Okay, the next is wow, metal force for tank. This is tank. This is cannon. Okay, cannon. Yes, this one you can see here. Made in China. This tank is made in China. And this one made in China also. Yes, we have new toys and this. Oh, you can see here. Wow, handsome man. Oh, let's war. Ooh, okay, and the last is wow. We have two police car. This one is Ford Police Interceptor sedan. This is from Matchbox official license. Yeah, Ford Police Interceptor series 23 from 100. Yeah, this one. Okay, I will open for you. Okay, and this one is majority Volvo V90. Oh, this one Volvo V90. The price is 28.90 RM or ringgit Malaysia. This one majority also have so many brand for car: Honda, Suzuki, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Toyota, Kia, Audi, Volkswagen, Ford, Jeep, and another Opel, and so many other brand. This is official. Yeah. Okay, I will open to you and show it to you. Okay. Hi friend, I already opened the box. This one, and this is the card for information about the Volvo V90. This is for racing, cylinder, engine size, power HP, speed, and other information. Yes, this one is card Volvo V90. Wow, very handsome. This one, this one like a Polish car, Volvo V90. This one, this is the door can open. We can open the door here. Wow, yes, like this, man. You can see here. And this one cannot open the door. This is cannot open the door. This only this one, the small car, only this one can open the door. Wow, this is the glass is also open. This one, this is open now. This is have glass. Wow, very detailed car. Wow, good quality. This one. Volvo V90. The back. Wow. Okay, friend. Okay. And the next is this one. Matchbox. Ford Police Interceptor. Yes. This one, Ford Police Interceptor. This is usually using by US police. Ford car usually using by US police, NYPD, New York Police Department, Chicago, Florida, and another state. This one. police interceptor. Ford police interceptor. We will play with this one. Okay, so how many we have? For car for police, we have 3 car police. Yeah, white, silver, and blue white. This one also can use also by police. This one. Tank protect from the enemy, and this one also. This one, okay, like this. Also we have airplane, biplane. This one is biplane and Mustang. Wow, let's attack the enemy. Wow. Wow, what do you call you like, friend? I also love tank. Yes, tank. Wow, tank is the bulletproof. Okay, my friend. See you again in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. I love you.